Hi, Abhinav. How are you?
Yeah.
So finally, I'm good too. So finally, I'm very happy to see you here, and I'm very excited to know more about your journey. Finally, you are a place candidate, and this is your feedback. And so let's start with that part. And first, I would really want to know, like, how do you come to know about NG networks? That is the first thing I really I'm excited to know about it.
Yes, sir. While I'm searching in the Google, I found that it is the NG network is providing the networking based courses. And while I'm searching, it is find that NG is the company. And I contact through the Hyderabad one of the member as uh, Mahendra sir. He explained me a lot in detail regarding the program and from basics to advanced level. I came through that. It is one of the good course which I can. It really helps to my career. I thought, and after that, I you arrange that the section. I joined to that section. Through that section, I sure that it is the best course if I join to this NG networks.
Yeah, right. So all you have searched about Google, you are looking something job guarantee and all. Okay. So you spoke to the Mahindra from the Hyderabad branch who explained each and everything. So
Yeah.
like when the very first time when you heard about, okay, you can join us, we are giving you the job guarantee in written format. So there must be something, there's a doubt running back of the mind. Is that genuine or not? So tell me about that part. Why did you decide to go with the NG networks? Maybe there is an option, maybe there is no option in the market, but still you chose to go with the NG networks. What is the reason behind it?
I got the doubt from beginning to the at last placing. While you are keeping the testimonials in the YouTube, so I am watching the every testimonial. Through that, I came up a claim. I will be the one of the person to give the testimonial. Uh, by that, I confirm that I need to join to this thing.
Got it. So you were like already you have that, from the day you join NG Networks till the time you got placed, you have that, doubt in your mind whether I'm going to place or not. But finally, with the help of this testimonial, you got confidence regarding the same, right? Amazing. Chalo. So let's next question. You can speak like the way whatever you want to speak. Don't worry about it. Don't get nervous. Okay. So speak from the heart, nothing else. Okay, next question I want to ask, like you come to know about NG Networks, you join NG Networks. So I hope you have attended my the very first session, that is a webinar regarding the process and everything. Have you attended that part?
Yeah, I attended.
How was that?
Sir, after listening of your class only, I decided to join the engineer.
Great.
You tell me the clear way, sir, from basic to advanced, how the course and how the structure will be there.
The trainees. So in that part, I have explained the training format. In that part, I have explained the entire process.
Yeah.
Now my question regarding the same, that way I explained into the first sessions, into the webinar before you joined. So once you joined, did you find the same environment in the NG network, the same we started from the first technical, the concept, the technical, then real time, and then placement? Is that the same?
Yeah, yes, sir. Same, sir.
So first, I want to know about how was your technical journey, the way when you start from the what. But before that, I want to know about your background. What is your background? Are you IT guy or non-IT guy?
Sir, IT itself, sir. I'm the IT guy.
And what you have done in the background?
Cyber security.
Actually, you have done some engineering into the cyber security. Okay. And then you come to the networking. You started with the networking. So when you started with the very basic, the way we train, tell me about the feedback to the technical training.
Sir, basic is taught by the Sunny sir. He explained me a lot. I learned from scratch levels to the advanced in the basic itself. And after that, advanced is taught by the Nirja ma'am. And after a real time is taken by the Deepak sir. And at last, Neha ma'am classes tell me a lot in the placing of the job, means to crack the job.
So you have explained each and everything. It's really nice. Look, I have to tell you something very important. Very important. I hope am I clear to you? Are you able
Right.
to listen? Yeah. So one thing I want to add, that your smile is really beautiful. And I would suggest take a picture and upload it to the Happy Dent, their website. And I am telling you, they are going to take you into the next advertisement. Chalo, jokes apart. This is not a joke. I'm telling you, you really, your smile is really amazing. The happiness is really amazing, and I'm happy that got a chance to be the part of this happiness. So finally, you're done with the basic training. Then you have moved to the advanced training. Who took the advanced training?
Advance is taken by the Nirja ma'am.
Nirjam. How was that training?
The Nirja ma'am classes are very good, sir.
Okay, so you're done with the technical part. We had did so many things. Then move to the real time. In the beginning, in this session, I've explained real time is something different. It is very important to get into the job and blah blah things. How actual it was when you started your real time training?
Sir, real time is nothing but after entering to the company, what the things, actual things which we performed in the company, what is the scenarios we can get, how to troubleshoot and how to face the issues. It is mainly, this is the motive of the real time.
Right. So you understood what I've explained in the beginning. It is very important because you have attended the interviews. When you are giving the interviews, how was that? Tell me about the part of the real time that we teach and it was useful into the interview. Any incident you want to share with me? Any instance you want to share with me?
Sir, actually, while we are giving the interviews, most ofly the real time, whatever the explained by the Deepak sir, it is came asked by the interviewers, because real time how to troubleshoot the things and what are the steps you will take. It is explained in the real time itself.
Great. So you understood the value of the real time. Now my next question is very simple. If you get the same, if someone else trained you the same curriculum, let's say some X institute, they copied the entire curriculum what we have trained you. Do they, or are they able to place you? This is just a simple question from me.
Sir, I don't know. Actually, this NG is more supportive for me to place the job. I thought this through NG.
Why do you feel that we only can do it? If we just if you do this curriculum from anywhere else, did you get the placement the same way what we are providing?
Well, actually, I did not went to another institutes. I attend only NG network.
Basically, I just expecting that you have understand the follow up. The team structure is very important. This is what I'm expecting from your side that you are going to answer. So actually, I used to ask this. I used to explain this thing into my sessions that it is not about the curriculum that we teach. It is all about the way we teach. That's I want to confirm from you. When you started from the basic, you got a program manager, training coordinator. How they are? How useful they are?
They are very helpful me to throughout the course, because Rahul sir and Namita ma'am, they help me a lot. If I get any of the issues in between my course, Rahul sir, if I face any of the doubt or any of the I am facing the issues through my course, the Rahul sir is the first person who helped me to resolve the issues.
So it is not like you are just only dependent on your trainers. You have this extra support, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Then Achal ma'am, taking your screening, how about that screening part? How it is important to get into the job?
Sir, screening is a crucial part to land into the networking, sir. Because without screenings, we can't move forward in the networking.
That's true.
Whatever we are learning, we after a few weeks they are asking that screening. By that we can improve our communication or this technical part. Through this we can gain more knowledge and we can confidently clear the interviews.
You looks little nervous. Abhinav, don't worry about it. Don't worry. Okay. Tell me something. Let's forget about this question. Tell me something about NG networks on your own words. Someone is watching this video like Abhinav. Like Abhinav was watching now when he was in doubt, he was worried about it. Maybe he wants to join, but not able to, but not that confident whether should I go and join this institute or not. Or when you are inside the process, still you are into the doubt, so you watch different testimonial. Now give a feedback in a way so other person can understand.
Our NG is the networking which institute which can provide a job, and this is not the institute like it is a boosting the people who are there, who are the teachers who are there. They can boost the people to place the in the networking, and there are the teachers who can help me a lot. Like in the when comes to the placement team, They helped me a lot to boost. If the one of the placement or if any of the interviews fails, they guided me and they boosted me a lot to move
Right.
forward.
Great, great. That is the perfect feedback what I was expecting. So, what the message? What is the message you want to give to your juniors who are still into the training and into the doubt? So, anything that you want to recommend them?
My recommendation is you need to accept the NG whatever the NG provides and blindly follow the NG what the NG is providing. By this, you can reach the goals, your goals.
Reach the goal. And where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad itself, sir.
And what is your preferred location to get a job?
Hyderabad. Yes.
And whatever the package they have committed, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it, sir.
And desired company?
Yeah, yes, sir.
These smile only explain everything that yes, you achieved what you desire. I'm that happy for you. Chalo, so all the very best. Yeah, I'm very happy with your feedback. Anything else you want to share? Any feedback for anyone from the team? Any message for into the team?
I will thanks to entire NG team whoever supported me till now to place the my dream goal.
Great.
Thank you.
And any specific message for me? I found it. I'm the founder who found it out.
Thank you a lot, sir. For you, without your support, there is no NG.
Not exactly NGs. I started the NG, but NGs, running all because of your, trust and hard work of my team and my student and all the candidates who really work hard. Together we work hard. Really, it's an amazing bond. Thank you very much, Abhinav. Keep growing and let's plan accordingly. Come back in some time and we will talk about the next futures plan. Okay, stay in touch. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.